Hello friends, welcome with my database management practical video 1. Here this is the question. You can see the question that I have taken here. The question 1. The data of all the students and teachers of Bindu Mahavidyalaya are stored in books. As a result, some data has been destroyed. Therefore, the principal of the school has decided to enter the data of all the students and teachers in the school into computer software. The software was commissioned by AI Soft. Assume you work as a software engineer for that company and the part you are assigned to create the database. So I have to create the database of this Bindu Mahavidyalaya. These two tables I have to create, student table and the teacher table. So then the schema, the name of the schema is given as school_db, and I have to create this database using this information given in these two tables. These are the column names that I have given that I have to create in the student table, and these are the columns that I have to create in the teacher table. So let's see how I create this database by the usage of MySQL Workbench.
I have opened MySQL Workbench here, and I'm going to access local instance here by clicking this. Then it's opening. These are the schemas that I have created already, and here I'm closing this, and I'm going to create a new schema, create schema, and then here I have to put my schema name. That according to the question I have to create the database as school_db. So then I'm changing the char set into default char set into UTF-8 and the collision into UTF-8 bin. Then I am applying it. Here I have to then it is created and I am finishing it. Then you can see the school DB. The database has been created, and here I have to right click and go to create table. Then the interface for creating the table is arrives, and here I am going to put the table name as students, because the first table I have to create is students table. Here also I am changing the char set and the collision. Changing char set and collision gives some benefit when hosting a database. And the first column name I am giving as index number, and for that index number, as in the question given, I am giving the data type varchar, and I am making it not null. And the first name, I am going to the first name here, and also varchar 45. Then last name, here varchar 45, because the length has been given as 45 there. And I am putting the fourth column as gender. Then varchar I am changing into 10. Then I'm going to put the next column as contact number, then varchar 10, because for contact number it only can be according to the Sri Lankan numbers, it can be only 10 characters. So then I'm going to put next column as address, then the varchar I'm changing it into 60. Then all done, I have to apply this. Then I'm changing the default charset and collision here also. No need of doing that in this situation, but if you are going to host this, it may be a benefit to you. So you can see the column names, and I have to apply now. Then again, when executing it, it may take a little bit while, and then all done. I have to finish it. You can see here the students table has been created. This is the table. No any data added here up to now. And I am going to create the second table. I am going to create table. The interface is coming. I have to put the table name as teacher, because the second table that I have to create is the teacher table. Here in the usual way, with charset and the collision, UTF-8, UTF-8 bin, and I am putting the first column name as teacher underscore reg underscore number. So the data type is coming here as usual int, and I'm going to change it into varchar because I have given the data type of teacher underscore reg underscore number as varchar and the length as 10. Then the second column, first name, and the data type and the length has been done also, and the last name, last underscore name, for that also varchar 45. Then I am going to put the gender. The gender, for the gender, the data type is varchar and the length is 10. I am changing it. Then again contact number. For a Sri Lankan contact number, there can be only 10 numbers, 10 digits, and I am putting it here, the varchar 10. And at last, the column name is email, so I am putting the column name as email. Then char I'm changing into 50 because I have given 50 characters for the email. I am changing the charset and the collision here also. It's not compulsory. All are created, then I am applying it. I have to apply it also, and it's executing. Then I am finishing. You can see the teacher table also has been created. This is the table structure. These are the columns, and I have to enter details into this. So this is how I answered my question 1 of database management in my video 1. And thank you for joining me. Let's meet with the next video. Thank you.